Civil engineering to me is so much about collaboration and partnerships, and how working together helps us to really understand the root cause of a problem, and we can therefore propose a much better balanced, kind of holistic solution, and mitigate unintended consequences where possible. And I've worked on projects that have helped to improve food security through better irrigation kind of infrastructure and water management in Myanmar, in Tanzania, and in Uzbekistan, and preventing damages from flooding and erosion in Bangladesh and here in the UK, as well as helping to improve water security and biodiversity. A project in particular that I've worked on from 2016 is the Flood and Riverbank Erosion Risk Mitigation Investment Programme for the Bangladesh Water Development Board. It's been funded by the Asian Development Bank, a very large development bank, as well as the government of the Netherlands. And over 2 phases of this project, I've been working with engineers to help design and provide construction advice for riverbank protection, which has included revetments, so hard protection over the riverbanks, as well as embankments to reduce the risk of flooding. And these together have helped protect more than 700,000 vulnerable people living on the banks of the Jamuna and the Padda rivers. The project has really championed women's participation. We've got a gender action plan. We try and find roles for women even within the construction. So things like planting kind of some of the innovative vetiver grasses and reeds that we're using as erosion protection instead of the traditional concrete methods, and really kind of roles like that, or helping to fabricate, some of the jute mattresses and other kind of innovations that we're doing, and finding kind of women-friendly roles within the construction there. Also making sure that women are leading some of the community groups that we're setting up around community-based flood risk management, and that they're participating equally in the training that's been given through the project, and mentoring and institutional development and capacity building of female engineers within the client organisation.